everyone, welcome to the workshop. If you're interested in creating beautiful pieces using metal surfaces, then I've got a treat for you. Because today, I'm going to teach you 5 finishing techniques you can use to decorate your metallic masterpieces. Are you ready?
First, you'll need these materials. Once you're ready, prepare the surface by spraying epoxy primer lacquer surfacer. Dry thoroughly before sanding the surface to smoothen. Using a brush, apply black latex paint on the whole surface. Let it dry completely before doing the next step. With a spray gun, cover the metal with gold powder solution. Once it's completely dry, glaze the surface with burnt umber tinting oil. Then rub some of the oil off with a clean rag to achieve your desired look. Don't forget to let it dry. Finish it off with clear gloss lacquer as a top coat. You can also use semi-gloss or dead flat lacquer. Now, let's try a granite finish. Using a paintbrush, spatter the surface with white, black, and red latex paint. Let it dry completely. And spray 1 to 2 coats of desired top coat. If you want a gunmetal look, spray the prepared surface with aluminum powder solution. After drying, glaze it with black tinting oil and allow to sit for 5 minutes. Now, we want to expose that aluminum, so take a clean rag dipped in paint thinner and gently rub the surface. Lastly, seal it off with a top coat. For an antique gilt finish, mix burnt umber latex paint with calcimine powder. Use a brush to apply the mixture. You want to gently pat the brush on the surface to create the desired texture. Seal the design with 1 coat sanding sealer. Next, apply your gold powder solution. Make sure it's completely dry. Then expose the burnt umber color by sanding the surface in desired areas. Now you're ready to apply the top coat. For our last finishing technique, spray the entire surface with 2 coats of black automotive lacquer. After drying, apply leaf adhesive to your desired areas. Let it sit for about 5 minutes or until the adhesive is sticky enough. Then carefully place your metallic leaf to achieve the desired look. Wait for it to dry. Lastly, spray the top coat.
there you have it, 5 beautiful finishes for your metal handicrafts. Until next time, see you at the workshop.